Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Sophia, and today I present to you four ways to use to repurpose fabric masks. First, it will be to turn two masks into a cute little bra by cutting the ear elastics and pinning them into place to create the desired design. I chose three little straps in the front, in between the cups, and a crisscross of elastics in the back, like an X. Pin them together and sew, and you're done. And your cute little bra is ready. The second idea is to take a mask and pin right sides together, pin the sides, and sew. Make two seams on the sides where you pin the mask. Turn the seams, turn it the right side, and you're gonna have the cutest little mask, a little bag. Sorry, the cutest little bag. The third idea would be to turn the mask into a fragrance package by, of course, pinning the ends together, just like we did with the white mask. We sew the sides, turn it to the right side, and filling it up with Downy Unstoppables, your favorite fragrance. Make sure you don't drop them all over like I did. Pin the end and sew shut so that the balls are not coming out. You've got the little fragrance sachet. Okay, fourth idea is to open the hem where the nose piece of the mask is. Take the nose piece out. In this case, it's just a pipe cleaner. Almost there. And now we're gonna pin the sides together again when we're done. Fold, pin, Sew the ends together, and we have the cutest mini Halloween bag for candy.